the legal implications of Wi-Fi sharing in South Africa. Amidst the rapid expansion of fiber to the home FTTH technology in South Africa, many households are now equipped with high-speed, uncapped internet connections. Despite the obvious benefits, the cost of FTTH can be prohibitive, especially in lower to middle income areas or places where a single fiber network operator dominates, often leading to higher prices due to exclusivity agreements. In a bid for affordable access, some residents may consider sharing their Wi Fi with neighbors, sometimes even charging a fee to offset the subscription costs. However, this seemingly innocent act of sharing could nestle homeowners in murky legal waters. According to telecommunications expert Colmer, transmitting a Wi Fi signal beyond your property involves legal considerations that many might overlook. South Africa's regulatory framework mandates that any service that crosses property lines and enters public or adjacent private domains requires an Electronic Communications Service (ECS) or Electronic Communications Network Service (EAS) license issued by the Independent Communications Authority of South Africa (ICASA). While sharing Wi-Fi within a confined area, such as between units in the same apartment without monetary exchange, generally does not require a license, the scenario changes with commercialization of the service. Charging neighbors for Wi-Fi access necessitates an ECS license and could further breach the terms of service with your Internet Service Provider, ISP, potentially leading to service termination or legal challenges. Moreover, case complexities increase in densely populated areas, such as simplex housing blocks, where Wi-Fi signals are prone to bleeding across multiple nearby units unintentionally. Here, the legal boundaries become blurred as non-commercial sharing might involuntarily transform into broader unauthorized distribution, attracting scrutiny. Although Colmer mentions that enforcing these regulations is challenging, with infractions rarely prosecuted, the rise of unscrupulous wireless internet service providers, WISPs, exploiting home Wi-Fi for commercial backhaul has drawn attention. These practices not only contravene the licensing requirements but also disrupt network integrity, leading to potential investigations by ICASA if flagged by legit operations. Interestingly, ISPs seem less focused on moderate Wi-Fi sharing due to the robust capacity of FTTH and the expense of monitoring. Nonetheless, extreme cases residents consume exorbitant amounts of data hint at widespread sharing, likely overstepping casual use. Drawing parallels to how sharing subscription services like DSTV led to policy revisions when abused, Wi-Fi sharing, especially when commercialized, poses a threat to the fair distribution and pricing of internet services. While sharing under dire circumstances or for humanitarian reasons, like assisting a neighbor whose internet has momentarily crashed, remains morally defensible, it does flirt with the edges of legal frameworks. In conclusion, households must be cognizant of the complexities involved in sharing their Wi-Fi connections. Not only could they inadvertently break the law, but they could also find themselves in conflict with their ISPs, risking penalties or loss of service. Thank you for choosing Satori News.